G'day viewers, Peter from Vox Singing Academy here. Just checking in because it is that time of the year again. It's winter in Australia, in the Northern Hemisphere. It's summer, but it's winter down here. And I have been requested to do a video regarding COVID and how the different effects of COVID affect singers and how long it takes to recover from COVID. Now, this video is on short-term COVID. I'm going to also do one on long-term COVID. But before I start, without any further ado, check out the links below for more info. If we could help you out with your singing or someone that you know with their singing, we'd be absolutely honored. We have numerous studios here in Melbourne. We also have online singing lessons worldwide, 7 days a week. And we also offer the ultimate online singing course. So please check out the links below for more info. If you like this channel, give it a like, thumbs up, click like and subscribe. If you have a question, please put it in the comments below. And if I get enough requests like this one, I will shoot a video. Okay, short-term COVID. Now, I'm going to be talking from my personal experience with COVID and also experience and knowledge from students that have had COVID over the last couple of years. So with my personal experience with COVID, I've only had COVID twice. And as a general rule, a couple of days before it really hits, I'm feeling lethargic and listless, and I can feel my body's not right. I really do monitor how my body's feeling all the time because my voice is a part of my body and it's an instrument, so I'm always monitoring how I'm feeling. But generally 3 or 4 days before COVID hits, I'm feeling listless and tired. I can feel that I'm coming down with something. So it feels like I'm coming down with a minor cold. Then generally about 3 or 4 days later, it really hits me, and it's generally, it's an upper respiratory infection. So I feel a tickle in my chest, wheeziness, not short of breath, but I can feel that there's a tickle and that I'm coming down with an infection in my chest, which is normally bronchitis. So it feels exactly the same as bronchitis. I am feeling quite tired and listless during these days here. Now, the 2 times that I have had COVID, I have taken antibiotics because I was coughing up green phlegm, and that means I've obviously got an infection. So I was on antibiotics, and in generally 2 or 3 days, I was feeling better. So I would have these effects of a really strong flu and upper respiratory infection for about 2 to 3 days. And then it would subside in the next 3 or 4 days. So the overall symptoms for me, and from what I've heard from other students, is basically 2 weeks. So from the very start, when I'm starting to feel just slightly awful, to completely 100% better, it's 2 weeks. But I only have probably 3 or 4 days of feeling really bad in the middle of that. So they've been my symptoms. And it's pretty much the same with my students as well too. A lot of my students say the same thing, that they feel like they're getting upper respiratory infection. People that don't take antibiotics, I normally find that it will go up and affect their voice, so their voice will drop lower. One of my teachers, Rience and Jay, basically 2 of my teachers had COVID, and they didn't take antibiotics, and it was affecting their voice a little bit. So that's why whenever I've got an upper respiratory infection, I always get on antibiotics as soon as I possibly can, because as a general rule, if you leave an upper respiratory infection not treated by antibiotics, it would generally take 2 to 3 weeks for it to completely go away. And I also don't want to have that happen to me, because I'm a singing teacher, but I don't want to come up an inch and affect my voice. So the first time that I had COVID, it affected my voice, where my voice probably dropped about 2 notes, and my voice sounded heavy and weighted. But I still had my full range, still had falsetto. It just felt really heavy, that it was weighed down. And yeah, so during that time, it was very difficult to sing anything that was high, very high, but I was still able to sing, and my voice wasn't really fatiguing much than what it normally would when I wasn't sick, but it was fatiguing a little bit. The second time I had it, Very much the same, but my voice didn't feel weighted. I didn't feel I got COVID the second time as hard as or bad as what I did the first time. So my voice felt okay, high range was okay, stamina was okay. The second time I pretty much sung and did everything as I normally did through the second time. But again, this is my personal experience with myself. I know that my teachers last week that had COVID also had a week off as well too. And again, had that rough patch for a couple of days, but then they were back and fine and singing again. So this is the symptoms. This is generally how long short-term COVID takes to go away. During this time as well too, I am resting up. I'm not exercising. And again, I'm trying to eat really, really well, eat a lot of veggies, keep my vitamins up, and trying to get as much rest. And that's as much as I can sort of say regarding short-term COVID. And I hope that this helps you and everyone that's watching out. But please make sure that if you do have COVID, please make sure that you're warming up your voice and taking care of your voice before you go and sing so you don't hurt your voice. And again, everyone's symptoms are slightly different, so please have an air of caution when you're practicing if you're feeling that you're sick or you have COVID. Please take care of your voice. I have numerous warm-up videos and also videos regarding laryngitis and cold and flu management on this channel. Check it out. It's in one of the playlists, I think, for health and for vocal health, so please check out that playlist if you want more information regarding cold and flu management, laryngitis management, and now COVID management. Thank you so much for watching. If you think I've missed something, please put it in the comments below. This is very broad and very quick. Hope that you've liked this video. If you do, give it a like, thumbs up, click like and subscribe. If you have any questions regarding any subjects to do with singing, please put them in the comments below. If I get enough, I will shoot a video for you. And again, if you like this channel, give it a like, thumbs up, click like and subscribe. Much love. Until the next video. Peace.